and welcome to Stamping for All. This is a tutorial video on how to add your creations to an album using an iPad tablet. So this is my home Facebook page. I need to go to the menu and choose the Stamping for All group. This will be in a different place according to what you're, what groups you're in and what have you. So there we have Stamping for All. Looking about the middle, you'll see there's chats, announcements, photos, events, files and albums. Press the album button and there's all the albums we have that we've made. I want to add one to this week's sketch, so I've clicked on that, and up the top there it says add photos. Press that, choose your photo from your camera roll and done. Type a bit of text. Oops, misspelling. Right, type a bit of text and then upload. Posted it says. Okay, and you can see it's in the album, and you just go back to the group by using the arrow at the top there. Swipe down just to refresh the page and you'll see there's the picture in the album. It's as easy as that. So give it a bash, let me know how you get on, and yeah, get creating, ladies and gents. Speak to you all again soon. Bye now.